Hey, what's up? I am JP, an SEO specialist and web developer here in San Francisco. I enjoy researching sales processes, buyer psychology, and turning online roadblocks into revenue. This is the Digital Growth Stage channel where I break down and air out the tough stuff that's actually stopping your brand from scaling online. Not a ton of fluff, just actionable steps to get you moving faster, so let's get into it. In this video, you'll learn how to log into your secure client portal, see your dashboard, download invoices, check active subscriptions, submit support or work order requests, and understand the streamlined approval process so that things move fast. So you just finished onboarding and received your first invoice, but now you want to see into your account with us, and here's exactly how that works. So from the main page on jwilliamsdesigns.com, you're going to go into the login button at the top navigation area. That way you can be led over to our portal. From the portal area, you'll see this login. And to log in, you're going to use the same email that we send your invoices to. That's the only verified email that works. So head to jwilliamsdesigns.com/AUTH and use the sign up or the login tool towards the bottom of this page, and it will send a verification link or a code to your email. Complete that as step one. This verification is important for security, and once it's done, you'll get full access. No extra accounts to manage. So let's go ahead and do that. Awesome. So welcome to your dashboard. Right away, you'll see a clean overview, quick summary of your active services, recent activity, and any alerts. First, we're going to click for payments. Here are all your past invoices listed out. Each one is downloadable as a PDF for your records or for your accountant, and you can easily do so by clicking the download invoice button, which will automatically start the download. Next is the subscriptions tab, where you can see all of your active subscriptions with us at J. Williams Designs. You can also see monthly retainers if applicable. And then for support or new work orders, you're going to go to the support tab. And then you're going to go into the support center. So from here, you can quickly either request website support, ask for an upgrade for Google rankings, or request an update on your banking information. Once we get your request, we review it very quickly. Your request is already pre-approved for billing. However, we will send over a clear estimate and get started immediately once we receive that request. This keeps everything moving without friction so that there's no endless email threads delaying progress. Quick note on billing so it's crystal clear. Normal web design or maintenance work is billed at $150 per hour. Custom code, domain work, or anything outside our core services is $200 per hour, unless your specific agreement says otherwise. All pricing is dialed in upfront, and using the support tab, auto allows us to bill you at those agreed upon rates. It's built to save you time and keep the momentum high. So here's what to remember. Your invoice email is your key. Verify it once and you're in. Your dashboard gives you full visibility. Then you can use the payments, subscriptions, or support tab to get more information or receive more information for your website. All right, that pretty much covers up the essentials for using your client portal. Reach out anytime if you want to go deeper on any part of this via partners@jwilliamsdesigns.com, and we'll get back to you within 2 business days. If you're ready to level up your traffic, your rankings, or your calls, hit subscribe for more breakdowns. Drop a comment with how this helped you with our tool, or book a discovery call, and my team can run a full audit and help you win on Google. Links are in the description. Thanks for watching. Talk soon.